Hi, you're listening to another episode from Explainur.com, where digital marketing is simplified for students and side hustlers.
Yep, and today's episode, we're tackling a big one. How to find your niche without spiraling into an identity crisis.
You mean without opening 23 tabs, watching 15 YouTube videos, and still ending up thinking, should I start a food blog or maybe dropshipping socks?
Exactly. If you've been stuck trying to pick the perfect niche, this one's for you.
Let's start with a truth bomb. There's no such thing as the perfect niche. It's not hiding behind a magic door.
Totally. People think choosing a niche is like finding a soulmate, but it's more like choosing an ice cream flavor at a new place. You gotta taste test first.
And sometimes your forever flavor ends up being one you almost didn't try. Pistachio marketers unite.
The point is, niches aren't found. They're discovered through doing, through action.
So how do you start? Begin with curiosity over clarity.
Ask, what do I enjoy talking about, learning about, or helping people with? That's your starter pack.
You don't need to be an expert yet, just curious enough to explore.
Quick example, a student might love watching productivity videos. Why not start sharing summaries or tools they test? Boom, tiny niche test.
Exactly. It's less, pick your forever thing, and more, let's date a few ideas.
Okay, here's a metaphor I love. Treat finding your niche like recess in school.
Ooh, I like this already.
You don't walk into the playground and declare, I shall only play basketball forever. No, you swing, slide, play tag, and see what sticks.
Yes, side hustling is your adult playground. Try reels, try writing, try coaching your friends on Canva. See what lights you up.
Bonus, what? You learn skills no matter what. And sometimes the combo becomes your niche, like fitness tips plus memes or marketing for musicians.
Let's talk micro-testing. You don't need a website, logo, and LLC to test a niche.
All you need is one platform, one idea, one tiny experiment.
Want to help students with time management? Make a 30-second video, post it, ask friends for feedback.
Exactly. Try 3 to 5 of these low-stakes tests. The internet will tell you what's working.
And don't forget, it's normal to pivot. Most successful creators started in one niche and evolved. That's not failure, that's feedback.
Here's a tip that always works. Solve a real problem for real people.
Yes, your niche becomes clearer when you focus on who you help and what you help them with.
Example, helping college students save money with smart tech. That's a niche. Boom.
Or helping school toppers make their first $100 online, even tighter.
Clarity comes through service, not strategy sessions in your head.
So to sum it up, 1, don't wait for clarity, experiment.
2, stay curious, not committed at first.
3, use real feedback to shape your niche.
4, remember, the goal isn't perfect, it's progress.
And hey, if you're vibing with this, check out more beginner-friendly guides on Explainur.com. That's your go-to place for simplified digital marketing.
Also, share this podcast with that one friend who keeps switching between fitness coaching and pet food dropshipping.
Yes.
And tag us when you start testing your niche. We'd love to hype you up.
You've been listening to Explainur.com, where students turn digital marketing into doable side hustles.
Thank you for listening. Stay curious, stay experimenting.
And as always, stay tuned.